Welcome back to our channel, where we explore different ways to generate passive income. In today's video, we'll be sharing 9 passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. Passive income is all about leveraging your time and resources to create income streams that continue to generate money even when you're not actively working. So, whether you're looking to achieve financial independence or simply want to diversify your income sources, these ideas can be a great starting point. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative source of passive income. By purchasing properties in high-demand locations, such as popular vacation spots or bustling urban areas, you can earn consistent monthly income through rental payments. Conduct thorough market research to identify areas with high rental demand and favorable rental rates. Ensure that the rental income exceeds your expenses, including mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Consider hiring a property management company to handle tenant relations and property maintenance, allowing you to enjoy a truly passive income stream. With proper management and a well-maintained property, rental properties can provide a steady stream of income and potential long-term appreciation. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a popular strategy to generate passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and favorable dividend yields. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and select stocks from different sectors and industries. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth accumulation through compounding. Keep an eye on the financial health of the companies you invest in and monitor any changes in their dividend policies. While there are risks involved in the stock market, dividend stocks have the potential to provide both income and the opportunity for capital appreciation. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an opportunity to earn passive income by lending money directly to individuals or small businesses. By cutting out traditional financial institutions, you can potentially earn higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Choose reputable peer-to-peer lending platforms that conduct thorough borrower screenings and provide transparent information on the borrower's creditworthiness. Diversify your lending across multiple borrowers to spread the risk. It's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of each loan, including the interest rate, repayment period, and potential risks involved. While there is a risk of default, proper due diligence and risk management can help you earn attractive returns on your invested capital. Royalties from intellectual property. If you possess creative talents or specialized knowledge, monetizing your intellectual property can be a rewarding source of passive income. Whether it's writing a book, composing music, designing artwork, or developing software, licensing your creations to publishers, record labels, art galleries, or software companies can generate royalties. Protect your intellectual property through copyrights, patents, or trademarks, depending on the nature of your creation. Negotiate licensing agreements that specify the terms of usage and the royalty rates you'll receive. Market your intellectual property through various channels, such as online platforms, retail stores, or partnerships with other creators. As your creations gain popularity and continue to be used or sold, you can earn ongoing royalties without significant additional effort. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and accessible way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. Join reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche or interests. Create valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, that incorporates your affiliate links organically. Focus on building an engaged audience and establishing trust with your followers. Choose products or services that provide value to your audience and have a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Continuously analyze your affiliate marketing efforts, experiment with different strategies, and optimize your promotional content to maximize your earnings. As your audience grows and more sales are made through your affiliate links, your passive income can increase. Create an online course. Creating and selling an online course is an excellent way to generate passive income while sharing your expertise. Identify a topic or skill that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. Develop a comprehensive course curriculum and create engaging video lessons, quizzes, and supplementary materials. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide the infrastructure to host and sell your course. Once the course is live, it can generate passive income as students enroll and progress through the material at their own pace. Regularly update and promote your course to attract new students and maximize your earnings. Create and sell digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, or software have low production costs and can be sold repeatedly, making them ideal for passive income. Identify a niche market and create high-quality digital products that cater to their needs. Establish an online store or leverage platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to sell your products. Invest time in marketing and promotion to reach your target audience. By consistently creating and updating your digital products, you can generate passive income as customers purchase and download them. Create a mobile app. With the widespread use of smartphones, creating a mobile app can be a lucrative passive income stream. Identify a problem or need within a specific niche and develop a mobile app that offers a solution. Conduct thorough market research and ensure your app provides a user-friendly experience. Monetize your app through in-app purchases, advertisements, or a subscription model. While developing and marketing the app requires initial effort, once it's available on app stores, it can generate passive income as users download and engage with your app. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds allows you to passively participate in the stock market's growth and earn passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. Choose reputable index funds that track well-established market indices like the S&P 500. These funds provide broad diversification and typically have low expense ratios. Regularly contribute to your investment portfolio and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Over time, as the market grows, your investments can generate passive income through dividends and the potential for capital gains. Those were 9 passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. Remember, building passive income streams requires initial effort, research, and ongoing management. Explore the options that align with your interests, skills, and financial goals, and start taking steps towards achieving financial freedom and generating income even when you're not actively working. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on passive income and financial independence. We'd love to hear your thoughts and additional ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy earning and sweet dreams.